odds of witnessing something like this are as rare as 1 in a million. And something like this is even rarer, like 1 in a billion. I bet you've never seen a flying boat landing as smooth as this one. The guys in the boat took seats in the front row of this show. Don't you think this isn't the best spot for an airport or a highway? Here's another example of an airport located in a less than ideal spot. But just imagine all the emotions those people went through. This plane slices through clouds like butter. During Australia's air shows, planes zoom right past the viewers, getting unbelievably close. That's something that definitely deserves to be captured on camera. This is the craziest selfie I've ever seen. A breath of truly fresh air. If you think parallel parking is hard, check out what the pilot of this helicopter is doing. plane flew so close to the ground that you could only capture the video by lying down. Taking off in high humidity is like watching a captivating visual performance. A full tank, please. A head-spinning rescue operation. No one has ever seen an air show from this angle before. Here's what a pilot sees from the cockpit when landing on an aircraft carrier. A like. This is how rich I want to be. This giant is designed specifically for landing in challenging conditions. Here's the quickest way to waste $150,000. The landing's a bit rough, but with a little fixing up, it'll definitely fly next time. What do you think that is? Alien invaders? Nope, just a passenger jet leaving a stunning contrail. It seems like this good boy isn't afraid of anything at all. Have you noticed how video game graphics have stepped up their game lately? Wait a sec. That Red Bull team pilot is pulling off some unbelievable maneuvers. Why waste time chatting during such an epic landing? The situation is actually tough. Landing on an aircraft carrier in zero visibility conditions. Imagine falling asleep in your pool and then waking up as a fire helicopter is scooping you up.
I'll try not to. All right, ready, set, go.
Not bad. How about trying the same thing with a cup of hot coffee? Buddy, quit showing off. Take the package and get moving. I bet children will never forget about this flight. These guys definitely know how to enjoy a day at the beach. This video is insanely epic. Imagine having 72 tons within arm's reach. Looks like those guys won't be getting much of a catch today. A skilled pilot only needs one wheel for a successful landing. This video is pure awesomeness. A cool dude in a cool car coming from a cool helicopter. The most American thing I've seen today. This video looks even cooler in slow motion. Those guys liked our video. What about you? This video will help you appreciate the power of a Boeing 747 engine. Flying under a bridge is no easy feat, and that pilot accidentally skimmed the water, but managed to keep the plane steady. It was pretty awesome. Did you see that? It was so close! That's some serious skills. This is probably the coolest aerobatic team in the world. Within only 20 seconds, the aircraft scooped up 1,650 gallons of water. From a distance, putting out a fire might seem like a simple task, but when you see the sheer power behind a firefighting airplane up close, it's truly remarkable. This video is truly lit. It's just a way to warm up the new engine and clear out the excessive oil. Let's marvel at how airplanes refuel mid-air. True artists in the sky. Please don't do that again. Go ahead. Tell this guy how tough it is for you to work in an office. The job of a pilot is really tough. They have to maneuver around trees and steer clear of power lines, which isn't a walk in the park. Here's another fear to add to your collection.